BMW X1 sDrive18i, new variant in Malaysia. Once again, to tell us more about the car, Product Manager Kevin Lau, BMW.
In January this year, we have launched the sDrive18i M Sport LCI, and immediately it received very tremendous response for the public. And today we are adding another new variant into the X1 family, which will be the BMW X1 sDrive18i. Compared to the M Sport package in the sDrive20i, the sDrive18i in the X1 comes with a baseline package which features a more subtle, more elegant, and also more rugged exterior outlook compared to the sDrive20i. The sDrive18i is powered by a 3-cylinder 1.5-litre engine which produces 140 horsepower, 220 Nm of torque, and only consumes 6.3 litres per 100 km, which is very, very good result. And with its impressive performance, engine performance, the engine won International Engine of the Year in 2015. The interior design of the F1 sDrive18i remains largely the same as the sDrive20i M Sport, and it still retains the practical and easy to use and driver-oriented cockpit design. The X1 is the biggest or the best interior space in its class, especially at the rear. It can sit 3 adults comfortably without any complaints. Same for the boot space. The boot space for the X1 is the best in class, and with the seat up, it can accommodate up to 505 liters, and with the seat down, it can extend up to 1,550 liters of space. If you look at the driving assistance system for the X1 sDrive18i, it's not lacking in this department. The car features with parking assistant, rear view camera, lane departure warning, front collision warning with brake intervention, and also the high beam assistant. The X1 sDrive18i is come with 4 different exterior colors and 1 interior color, which is the Leather Dakota black. And the car that we witness here today is the Mediterranean blue, a very striking and elegant color. And then the attractive X1 18i is priced at 208,368.43 without SSD. Thank you very much. Back to you, Sashi.
Testing. Now, may I invite all media friends up for the photo opportunity. Sashi, Harold, if I may invite you. We will start with the BMW.